Today we're diving deep into logical operators. These are the rules computers use to make decisions. By the end of the session, you'll not only understand and, or, and not, but also see how they power games, apps, and even everyday choices. Computers think in terms of true and false. This is called Boolean logic. True equals 1. False equals 0. So computers are basically giant, true or false machines. Every decision boils down to yes or no. Let's look at few examples. Is the sky blue? True. Is fire cold? False. Do cats have 4 legs? True. Logical operators help us work with these true and false answers. There are 3 important logical operators: and, or, not. Let's understand them one by one. Let's start with and. Imagine your teacher says, "You can go on the school picnic if you have parent permission and a picnic ticket." That means you need both things. You need parent permission and picnic ticket. If you have both, you can go. But if even one is missing, you cannot go. The important rule is, both conditions must be true. In many programming languages, and is written as 2 ampersand. For example, has permission ampersand ampersand has ticket. This means, you must have permission and a ticket. Let's look at truth table. It is make easy to get how conditional statements, if/else, resolve based on combinations of true or false inputs. And truth table. True and true equals true. True and false equals false. False and true equals false. False and false equals false. With picnic example, let's look at the possibilities. If you have the parent permission and picnic ticket, true and true gives true. If you have the parent permission but don't have the picnic ticket, true and false gives false. If you don't have the parent permission but have the picnic ticket, false and true gives false. And if you have neither, false and false gives false. So remember, with and, everything must be true. In this video, we have understand logical operators in the simplest way possible, with real-life examples, and have deep walkthrough on and operator. In next chapter, we are covering remaining operator or and not. So stay tuned for a fun learning video. Do not forget to share, like, and subscribe. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care.